since a week now. Waiting on the trend now. Mathias Ezeaku, Zion Ministry, Pastor Ebuka, and the Babalawo. This matter, they prolong, not be small time. The matter no won't finish for grand my country people. Before I go straight to the point of this issue, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. My country people not be small thing. Okay, what happen? We say this man of God, Pastor Ebuka, he can preach for inside in church. You know, I come across the video, you can't preach, they tell members, say, may they put their trust on Jesus, God. Say, if they go Babalawo, say, if Babalawo give them something, say, definitely, say, they must come back and collect the thing. If Babalawo use right hand, say, give you something, he must use left hand, say, collect them. Say, the ones where our fathers put us till today, say, we never feel suffer. Say some people constantly go Babalawo, they add more problem, you know, more issue upon their life. Say if Babalawo give you something, say it not the last forever. And so if they preach and may members, may they put their trust on God. Okay, for inside now, so many Babalawos come bust out, you know, they can't drag this man of God, come out. Say why he talk like that? Why he can't tell people? Say they know they patronize them again. Say why? They can't they call her many, you know, they call her say in a fake man of God, in a this. No be small thing on my country people. Wait I come across now and this our brother Mathias Ezeaku.
Ebuka, you are sending a threatening message to me, right? So, Ebuka, you are not ashamed of yourself. So, you are not ashamed of the atrocity you are committing in our land. Ebuka, so you are not ashamed of your criminal activities in Nigeria, deceiving our women before the world, Ebuka. So, as foolish you are, as mad you have been showcasing on social media, disgracing our people, so you are not ashamed of yourself to mention my name. Why I never mention your name? Ebuka, look at what you are doing to your sisters. Ebuka, look at shame you are bringing to our generation to come before the world. Ebuka, look at what you are doing to your sister. Ebuka, who does this to German women in order to survive? Ebuka, the Portuguese that brought Bible and story of Jesus after slavery. Who does this to any Portuguese woman in order to survive? Ebuka. Ebuka, I am asking you, can you do this shit to any woman today in London, in France, in Norway, in Ireland? Ebuka, why are you so wicked? Ebuka, why do you decide to practice evil on top of your people just because of money? Pepper. Why are you practicing what in Western world are not doing to their citizens in order to survive? Ebuka, these are people that are frustrated. These are people that need practical help of the government. Ebuka, you are tormenting them, manipulating them before the world, destroying their sense of reasoning. Neck our women, hitting our women hands on their stomachs, Our married women, you are disgracing them before the world, posting it in the internet. What will this thing brought in our land? What development will this brought in Nigeria to Ebuka? We have been working hard to make sure we stop this madness with truth and honest. And this threatening message you sent to me, let me clear you. We have been waiting for all of you, mad people everywhere. We have been waiting for a fact like you to come out in physical attack. Then, Ebuka, we want you to come physical. We have already disgraced you people before the world. We have let our people to know that Jesus is very... You see that type of Jesus you guys are using over there, here in Nigeria, in the name of prophet, prophetess, in the name of prophecy. That type of Jesus is used. The European created Jesus to destroy the thinking faculty of a black man. Everything that the Europeans are doing to their children today, it has been placed in Nigeria that Jesus will do it for the citizens. And that is why our politicians are abusing, wiping away the fund that belongs to pharmacists. Because you, the agents of British and our politicians, are working hard to make sure that pharmacists keep on suffering, so that your business will keep on flourishing. Ebuka, when I visited India government's house, while struggling to make sure I stop this stupid land, which I must conquer. We must conquer. It was your video you did last year that when I was explaining to the minister, he didn't understand me until I showed one of your videos to him. He was like, oh no, what is happening to this woman? She need help. Why this young man watching her? She need help. I told him that this is what I'm saying. This woman is praying to become successful in a nation where there is no security, in a nation where there is no light, in a nation where there is no job opportunity, in a nation where reverend and pastors lies to the citizens that what happened in the book of Job will happen to them in 21st century. Chukwu, why are you so happy? You open your mouth, the mouth you used to rub lipstick, to say that you look at me, didn't see anything. Chukwu, upon all the heavy loads I have removed from so many families, upon how many houses my NGO has given to homeless people, because I don't want to join you people in this scamming business you guys are doing in Nigeria. Let me take you to one of my offices out of how many offices we have in our land, saving the life of our people. Let me take you to the office. Let us know who is doing what the Western worlds are doing that makes their citizens today not to be that sure because of lack of money, as our people are dying here in Nigeria. Let me take you to our office, Ebuka. Let the world watch me and you and know who is doing the rightful thing that has evidence, practical miracle with evidence, time and date, Ebuka. That was scam. Scam will never pay. You will regret this in time to come. Yeah, that is it. And all of you who is telling Ebuka, the great scammer, scamming you people with microphone in the name of Helen. One day you will remember this voice today. All of you who is telling Ebuka to ride on, yes, Papa, yes, man of God, without knowing that you are being brainwashed, that he is scamming your brain to your earlier grave in daily basis. Watch and see. These are some records of thousands of our people that registered their case here who are sick. I have not bring them, all of them are not here. There are many of them inside this chair. Inside this chair, there are many of them. Now, these are the names of our people who are sick, that have no money to go to hospital for their medical attention. This is how we write their names with different cases. You are a disease. You are a disease. You are a. We are waiting for your act. We need your physical action, your part 2 of Christianity. Then we'll shut you down immediately. My death will bring quick, recovery, quick deliverance for my people in this our land. And I will never relent to deceive people with the truth. And these people I mentioned their name, especially those kidney failure, you might call them and maybe they have died waiting for us. And I am telling you that in the Western world who gave us Jesus and Bible, that all these people, their names are here, that they have access to go to the hospital to receive medical treatment free of charge done by their government. Then I am asking Nigeria Christian leader, which effort have you people put in practical, in action for us to have a good government? The week of the church is to go and print and paper and ask me to be praying for Nigeria in distress. And I am telling you that these ones here are the few ones who have cured. If I open this check and bring out the ones these are the folders of the one we have cured, all these books. Once you come, when it is your turn, then this is a folder. We will write your name. This person's case, that is what enables us to know if we still have money on behalf of the person or not. Once the money have exhausted, then we'll ask for another fundraising. This is what we want to be seen in the church, not fake miracle. This thing here, they're all the names of people we have cured. Some, not all, some. Well, you have not gone for Igbo of themselves in Ugu branch. We have branch in Owerri. We have branch in Inewi, where if Yoruba stopped me from ending his program in his radio to secure the name of Jesus of Europe, who are murdering our people, than saving the life of his people, the same color with him, that can save his children tomorrow. Now we have branch in Aba, we have in Omaya, we have in Oka. This one is in Bob branch. This one is in Bob branch. Now, if I Ezeaku Ejiofor, who is not a pastor, who don't even believe in that your Christianity again, because it is more. If I can save these lives in one branch, how many lives have we saved in other branch? Pastor Ebuka, how many lives have you saved with your prayer? Bring evidence. I told you, if you are going to bring people you have cured with, who is crippled or blind, that you made them to see your work, I will give you 5 plots of land to build the adoration in Onitsha. In your way, about the man, you put on him. You will be a great news. You are the one that will stop Christianity in Nigeria. We are waiting for all of you to bring a practical action that will wipe churches away. Not a tragedy that will happen in a church in one community in Igbo land. Nobody will ever enter any church again in Nigeria. Because you guys grab a native doctor, grab the work of government, and claim that your Jesus will do those things. This is just an example. Let's continue. The world are prospering through technology. The production of the microphone you are using to deceive our people there in Lagos provide more than 10,000 job opportunities in every community today in India. Ebuka, is there anywhere microphone is being produced in Imo State where you came from, and it did not give our youth job, remove them from sleep, and stop them from dying in desert and the Mediterranean Sea while trying to survive in a country that developed their land with honest, truth, science, and technology? Ebuka, the atrocity you have committed in our land, offer for it. You will, and we are waiting for you urgently. We need you people's practical attack. I have already sacrificed my life to die in this struggle, and my will bring quick what I need. My stop anybody in Nigeria from entering church unless you want your head to be used as fire akara. What we need now is your physical attack, because you don't have any power, no other power apart from physical power. You are very used. You want to show me another part of Christianity? Oh, so you have another part of Christianity in Nigeria, and it was watching Boko Haram on daily basis. You have another part of Christianity, and you allowed Boko Haram to stop church from operating in Borno State. You are allowed Boko Haram to bomb more than 30,000 people. You are watching Fulani harassing our people, and you have another side of Christianity. So you have another power side of Christianity, and Nigeria could not boast of 1 hour steady light today. And you have another power side of power in Christianity. So there is another power you have in Christianity. Until today, our boys are in India, Cambodia, Dubai, Malaysia, and then, so you have another side of Christianity. And our boys are in Dubai that beg us for food in 1978. Our boys are in Malaysia. Our boys are in prison in Indonesia. Our boys are in prison in Morocco. Our boys are in prison in Senegal here. Our boys are in prison in Egypt, where you guys are brainwashing us that Jesus saved Israelites in the Igbo from Egypt. Which is fiction story written by our slave masters, who brought 8 million people here in the name of slavery, who use our newborn baby to catch crocodiles. Because of how you have messed our women up. Do you know in Japan, who are not Christian, do you know that their women are first class citizens? Do you know in China that are not Christian, that their women are first class citizens and government take care of them properly? Do you know today in Indonesia that their women are first class citizens? Do you know that in England that brought the Christianity to you, that their women are first class citizens? That nobody in England today is praying, running on the ground in order to be employed, or to be saved, or to be set free, or to be held. You are not out of yourself by opening your mouth to call a saint like me on your platform. We are waiting for you. Look at where the work is. And look at what you people are displaying to our people, so that our children will grow up to believe in these criminal activities that you guys are displaying in our land. Look at Malaysia that came down to our land and took a palm fruit and planted in their country. Look at their city, Ebuka. Ebuka, every citizen of Malaysia today goes to hospital free of charge. Nobody can die in Malaysia today because the person don't have money to go to obtain card, as it is being done here in our land. Ebuka. And all I am crying out loud for, what have the Christian leaders did practically to confront our government? To tell them that we need the same life that is being done in Germany, in France, in Italy. Ebuka, all of you kept silent and keep on telling our people. I am telling you today that the Italian woman that is pregnant, where the Pope of Catholic Church is, an Italian woman today who is pregnant, that the government will give the person almost 500,000 plus to say congratulations. To say congratulations, just because the person is pregnant in Italy, in the Western world. But our pregnant women here, you guys are deceiving them. They will deliver like women of Hebrew. That there is a witch in their village using a cord to tie their baby. Why can't you surrender your life to honest, Why can't you be? What will you benefit? Chukwu, if it is your daughter and your wife that someone is doing this rubbish to, Chukwu, how will you feel? Chukwu, as fake as you, and you know that I know that you guys are fake, including your Jesus, that you have no power, because if you see that you have power, I am waiting for that your second part of Christ, at least so that you will pray. So that you will pray, and I will sleep, I will not wake up again. So any day I slept and I did not wake up, nobody should tackle any Nigeria church. But any day you hear that I am attacked by these people or by these people, I am ordering all our members to burn down every church in Nigeria. But every day you will hear that I am attacked by almost like you or any Nigerian pastor. Any attack me, there will be no church services in Nigeria. The tragedy that will occur in what state in our land will never allow anybody living in Nigeria to enter any church. That's why I said my death will bring weak deliverance of my people from the bondage of you pastors and reverend pastors. Chukwu, are you more popular than Pope of Italy? How many times have you seen Pope claiming to heal anybody? Pope was just coming back from the hospital. Chukwu, if you are not a fake pastor, if you are not committing atrocity, if you claim that you are not a fake pastor, pure fake, all of you, it's have never, I told you, Chukwu, provide anybody who is crippled, which the community know that this person is crippled. Make it as an announcement in your church if you don't have their records anymore. Anybody who was crippled and the family members and the villagers know that yes, this person is crippled, and the person came to your scamming Zion and became healed. Provide that person. I will give you 5 plots of land. I will give you 5 plots of land in Anambra State to build another adoration. The world is talking about technology. Africans are building prayer houses. Prayer houses. Ebuka, you simply knows that the reason why the German cities are not crying on camera, on internet in order to survive is because they have millions of places where this clothes we are putting on is being produced in each of their communities. That production of this clothes is what eradicates poverty in every nation today in the world. Ebuka, do you have where clothes is being manufactured in Imo State where you came from? I did not give the Imo-lite job. Ebuka, so you are not ashamed. Look at what you are hitting our women's hands on their stomach. Ebuka, any attempt on me, that your place will become a blind. Ebuka, provide any blind person that you prayed for and the person regain his sight, his or her sight. I will give you 5 plots of land and I will follow your ministry forever until I die. Ebuka, wepa aka enwe n'ofe n'oyiri aka mmadụ ego anyị na anakọsha ụmụ ogbenye tight na offering na-ezu anakọsha ụmụ bayi, it will never take you to anywhere. Agwa ndị ga-eru ikpuri na ndụ if you don't repent. Unu bịa you are na m na-afọ ọnwụ. I'm seeing I'm fighting to defend my land because I am telling my people the present condition today in Japan, that these are the secrets of prosperity of Japan. The reason why Japanese are not in the Ogidi police station, in Awada police station, in Amokwe police station is because their government provides everything they need in order to survive in their land. That we all should gather ourselves together under that shit religion that you guys are practicing in Nigeria to demand for that same freedom from the government. Because I'm telling my people the truth. I'm defending my land. That is very important. Are you older than me? Are you older than me? Are you richer than me? Are you stronger than me? I want to see your use. The same power that are pulling these people down, call on him to pull me down. Let's start from there. Not even pull me down. Call on him to push me down so that I will die. Let me see how it works.
A fake anointing. What was that about?
You know, most time when people say such a thing, I don't blame them because we ministers of God has really messed up. So people see everybody as the same. People see most of men of God today as the same because the truth is that we men of God has failed Jesus Christ. You will see so many fetish things going on. The other day I heard that people were fighting in Edo State. The one says, I am the one that acted blind person. The other one says, I'm the one that acted the crippled man in the church. My money is supposed to be more than your money. They were fighting and they were arrested.
So you know that some of you are fake. All of you are fake. And you are not among them. Show us the example. Show us a cripple you have cured. Show us a blind that have seen in your ministry. Tell us what evidence that shows you are not fake. You are not fake. So you know you guys are fake. You already know. Ebuka.
He don't drag Zion come at my country people. He say Zion. You say what? You are sending me threatening message. Zion. Today na today. We go pull 2 legs for 1 treasure. My country people not be smart, you know. Mathias Ezeaku can't settle down. Can't let Zion know say he can't tell Zion say Zion is a scammer. Say Zion is a scammer. Ebuka, Pastor Ebuka is a scammer. He say this. He say this. Why they deceive people? Why they display for inside church? They heal. They let them they fall anyhow. Say for another country. Say this kind of thing no fit happen for another country. Say Zion is saying that both of them, say now both of them, say the most one. Say whether Zion not the fear face before Zion go send a threatening message. My country people, not be small saga na the grand though. He let this man know say he they help many people for inside for in hospital. He they help people. He they help many people. He don't rescue people for inside the hospital. Just say many. Say Zion is a scammer. My country people, not be smart, you know. I don't know what happened between both of them. He talk say Zion, they sent threatening message for her. He talk say he no mention Zion name. Zion come they send a threatening message. My country people, this matter he weak me every day as day they break. Now so another wahala go take the land. He come they fuck the back. I don't know what he come they happen. My country people,